Two things. Ang kanaha. And of course, laughing. I can't stand my day without laughing. GoPro. Ba't ka... Papakat na eh. GoPro, pasakot ya. Two emojis sir. Weekly two emojis này là thay tụi mình kia mi mắt bật cái way bật và lòng awkward lẹ. Two things, faith and love. From my first big project, even haters can become friends. Second, money is not everything. Nervous about my career. Two things I'm nervous about my career. Cho mình con cần đây ban ondor, for real, ban ondor or naming my price kung nang no. Dahil nervous sih, do mentaro ito malah nang confident ka, mga nang nervous ka na. Kabar kadai ban kabar kadai ban ban persang ban bu iladi in a position that I'm somebody kumanong no. Busim Shillong ba, you are well known, you're popular and all that. Kinray maman kapon dala dan nang bati brio ki badan of influence ki brio ki ba dan ya ka nam kaburam bat ki weng kana ting na long nervous ba ban dan hajan ki. So I always feel like I'm just like a tiny puny little monkey somewhere. Too guilty pleasure. I love bikes. Nga subang ban ride which sometimes I'm long too guilty nomor ba ngarait muri ilok mamilam syu ikun perkumbalok ya lam. Another pleasure would be ngabang so palat. I always get this not just I wouldn't say addiction, but it's more like a pleasure bangan to see like a bottle of juice of drinks em kibalong kiba compare kandiat te tamangalong guilty but in the sense ba you shouldn't take too much of that because it's not good for your health. Nothing's gonna stop us now and always by Bon Jovi. Tung Rumbay terus nang niyong. Two rumors about me. The rumors less pangjanga. Sanat two rumors yung bakod bajajay amday bajajay kata di rumors kata diba dokman so kawai kabar kande what is a rumor about me which is not true. Rumors pangjanga bukyo mga di high level. I'm not high level, I am ultra high level. Yeah. Two things again my supporters that they should they don't know about me that they should I put God in front of everything else and anyone else too. And second, if I ever have to choose between the subscribers, like fans, but we follow and my family, I would always choose my family. to dream collaboration with love. Menamin nga post niyo yung speed na ba nga dukan na Spain na one na Spain na pendung dukan na pensa dukan nga na I think that would be a good dream collaboration. Bakal ada dreams nan menamin. Biang lah sikli sa sikli. One more. One more nga tayo, I would love to be in a Mr. Beast game show. Okay, kini dikarili mo. Wah, tama. It's just a dream. Let's see. Yeah. Tip top.